everybody. Today we're gonna eat cactus. So we're gonna take you on a Stingray Steve's step-by-step procedure to prepare cactus. So here we go. Okay, what you want to do is find leaves like this that are, and just slice them off about there. Leaves that are new. See, they're still growing about that size. Slice it off. And this is a nice one. Okay, so we got two. And there's a baby right here, so we'll take three. Okay, I got more over here, but I'm not gonna make too many today. Okay, so what we do now is all these little spots where the thorns are gonna come out, I just pick them off. And see over here, that you could just cut off. I mean, anywhere there's like seeds like that, look, just cut that off. That'll save you a lot of time. And you can cut that off. And there's some thorns over there. So I'm only left with a couple of these, so I'm just picking them off. And you could see it's like aloe vera, it's like sticky. So whatever's in these things is real good for you. It's like eating aloe. I know turtles eat them and rabbits, so. Okay, so there's that one. You probably could eat these too, because there's no thorns yet. When they're young like this, the thorns haven't come out yet, so. Okay. So basically, this is what you have here. And the way I like to make them, well, I did get a little thorn, but not too bad. Okay, what I do next, just slice them up like string beans there, like that. Okay, now I'm going to do the same procedure with these two. Okay. Throw a little butter in there. A little garlic. Throw a cactus in there. seasoning. Yeah, try not to get it all over the place like I did. A couple of minutes. It's getting nice and gooey, see this? Starts softening a little bit, then it's ready. But you can see the glue coming out of it. That's gonna go right to your joints like collagen. This got to be one of the healthiest things you could eat, okay? Look at that. Okay, let's give it a taste test. Go. Okay, so we're going to shut that off. We also made some asparagus. So we got asparagus and some steak. Okay, so here we go. We got asparagus, cactus, and steak. Come over here and eat some, honey. I'm only gonna have me eating it. Okay. So sit down here and dig in. Thank you for this, Lord, for this food we're about to eat. Amen. Okay, so the steak looks good. Asparagus look good. Now for she's eating hers first. How you like it? Look at that. Cactus. It tastes like aloe vera. Look, it's got that slimy aloe vera. Well, it's good. So there you have it, folks. It's got Tastes a little like a cross between beans and asparagus, and it's good. So if you have one of those in your yard, wait till you get the new leaves, the baby leaves, and do what I did. There it is.